If your scrap wood pile looks like this, it's time to clean up your life. And I'm going to show you how to do this insanely cheap. But before that, let's go in the worst way to start this, with number 3. You could always pay some random contractor, like this guy. I mean, he's got skills, right? Look at that level. That thing is crisp, that is clean, that is perfectly level. Nope. Next option. This one might be perfect for you if you have extra money and are limited on time. But a quick Google search will show you just how much you can expect to spend on a vertical storage solution. Or the best option, stick with me to learn how to build your own for under $45. In this video, I'm going to show you how I organize this chaos using a versatile wood rack system to gain the upper hand, and how you can replicate this system to save yourself time and money as well. So we're going to start by giving us some room to work with here. And for the record, this is clearly not a junk piece. This is a very famous work of art. You don't know it yet, but trust me, it is. And whenever decluttering a space, it's always a good idea to sort the types in groups. I am just seeing which direction I want these 2x4s to face, as I will be separating them by about 2 feet from each other, and I want to maximize the space. So I added these 2x4s to cross the vertical studs to give me multiple location options when attaching the pipes used for this wood rack system. Using an impact driver and a regular Phillips screw can tear out the top, so make sure you use a Torx type screw head if you don't plan on pre-drilling holes. You will see how the Phillips did not work here in this situation. To separate the wood types on this rack, I chose to go the black pipe route, and I will show you why in just a few moments. All you need is some pipes, some floor flanges, and some screws. And there's a thumbs up, we got it done. Oh, wait, no, he's asking if you dropped a light, is he? Yep, nope, he's definitely asking if you dropped a light. Find that the pipe is too short and you want to extend it out, you can do one of two things. You can either buy longer ones or simply attach a coupling, like this one, and then add more pieces of piping as shown here. If safety is a concern in your shop, as it should be in all shops, and fear the possibility of impaling yourself, then maybe getting a cap to place at the end is a good idea as well. Finally, if you want to extend the rails in any direction, you can use either these 90-degree elbows or 3-way T's to add more piping for your needs. point, I realized I want more space for my flooring cases, so I need to adjust the placement of these bars, which is exactly why I chose this wood rack storage method. First, I need to find my tools. And welcome to my go-to move whenever I can't find my tool. It really is as simple as removing a few screws and adjusting as needed. You'll see me do this a few times. After just a few adjustments, the rack is completed and suits my needs so much better now. And here's Buddy just coming to check on the progress. He was a rescue and has been such an amazing addition to my little family here, and my daughter and I couldn't be happier with him. In fact, one of my next upcoming projects is to build him his own outdoor heated doghouse, so keep an eye out for that build. Now this is a piece I started about a year ago and have yet to finish it. I think I will one day eventually, which is why I keep it, but what are your thoughts? Do you think it's worth finishing or should I just scrap it? And now we get to the part with the before and after pictures. And yes, I know there's a lot missing in the after photo, but that's because I'm trying to throw away all the actual junk. Now whether or not I actually did, I'll never tell you. But if you found this video insightful, helpful in any way, please let me know by hitting that like button. And if you're following me in my campaign to get smart, you'll know that every day is a new opportunity to get educated and save money by learning how to do things yourself. So if you're on board, consider subscribing, and until next time, feel free to click on one of the other videos and see what else you can learn about. Cheers!